Hi friends, welcome back new video. In this video I'm share to you the details of how to connect mobile to printer and how to print from mobile very easily. I am using HP LaserJet Pro M102w model printer for connect and print from mobile. Please note, internet connection is not required to connect printer to mobile and print. Just enter the password and connect to Wi-Fi. First, turn on the printer and then press the Wi-Fi switch on the printer. Now you can see Wi-Fi switch blue light blinking. This means Wi-Fi is turned on. Next, search for Wi-Fi on the mobile. You can see the printer model number as Wi-Fi name. Now touch on HP LaserJet 102. Then in the window asking for password. Enter the default password of HP from 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After then, click on connect. If you are a new viewer of this channel, like and subscribe this channel and click on the bell button for receive notification of new uploaded videos. This channel based on the printer information and many videos have already been uploaded about the latest printer unboxing and printer features. Now you can see that Wi-Fi is connected. It can also be seen that there is no internet connection. In the next window, also click connect. Next, let's see how to print from mobile. First, open the file to be printed on the mobile. First, go to the three dots above it and give the print option. The next window is print settings. From this window, first select our connected printer model. Then select number of prints and paper size, landscape or portrait, etc. Then finally touch on print option. You can see that the file given to print has been printed. In this method, you can easily print anything from your mobile. If the video is useful, please share to your friends and like the video. Also subscribe to the channel. This video is winding up now. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.